Hello, my name is Thomas. I'm the community builder at 𝐀𝐿𝐿𝐿𝐿, and today I will show you how to buy some galleon by card and have your identity checked in order to claim them. So everything goes from blockchain.galeon.care. If you click on Buy by Card, you will land on this page with 3 programs. We will choose Galleon Guardian with a 3-year vesting period and 30% bonus. It means that if you pay 100 euros, you will receive the equivalent of 130 euros in Galleon during 3 years. You will have to satisfy 4 conditions, and then you will have another choice if you want to have an extra 1 euro of BNB or Galleon. BNB is the cryptocurrency for the BNB blockchain. It is a cryptocurrency needed if you want to do swaps, transfers, and so on and so forth. So if you want to sell your tokens at one point, you will need some BNB. So check BNB. Once you have bought your Galleon with your credit card, you have to wait 14 days to be able to claim your tokens. Once you have waited 14 days, you will go back to this Buy by Card page and see 2 additional tiles, vesting plus your vesting status. On your vesting status, you have the claim button available if you have connected your wallet on this page, as you can see with the green wallet on the upper right side of the page. Let's check your identity. Once again, go back to blockchain.galeon.care, open the dashboard, and this time go to Galleon ICO. On this page, you can see 2 red tiles, and one is the identity check. To verify your identity, you have to scan your face first and scan an ID document. To scan your face, you can use either your cell phone with a QR code that will open Synapse, the app on your smartphone, or check with your computer with the face camera. You can see my head here. We will not go through the whole process. It's very straightforward, very simple. You can follow each step. Your KYC will be verified in minutes or in a few hours, depending on the demand at this time. And the tile will turn green. So we have seen how to buy Galleon with your credit card in less than 2 minutes. And we have seen how to check your identity to be able to claim the tokens on your wallet.